Why do we get eye bags under our eyes as we get older? Most of us notice we have eye bags forming starting around late 30s, early 40s. Our skin around the eyes is the thinnest skin on our face. So it's usually the first place you'll notice signs of aging. So what causes eye bags? There are many causes for eye bags, including tobacco usage, lack of sleep, genetics, allergies, or lots of salt in your diet. But of course, aging is one of the main causes. We have fat around our eyes. That's a normal part of our anatomy. As we age, the connective tissue weakens and the muscles supporting our eyelids sag. And the fat that supports our eyes in our eye socket start to get pushed downward and forward into our lower eyelid, creating a bulge, making it look puffy and swollen. Today, I will show you a face yoga pose called the eye bag toner. You can do it with or without hands, but by doing it with hands, you activate the acupressure points around your eyes and increase blood circulation and intensify the pose. Of course, you can do it without hands if you have shoulder issues or if you're trying to be sneaky and you don't want people to know you're doing face yoga while you're watching TV. Today, I will show you how to do this pose with and without hands. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this pose. It will tone the under eye area and reduce the appearance of under eye bags. It will also stimulate the acupressure points around your eyes, bringing blood circulation to your face. And by moving your eye muscle, your Orbicularis Oculi, you will reduce the lymphatic fluids stored under your eyes. Now, are you ready for the pose? Let's do it. Sit tall. Align your posture. Relax your shoulders and neck. Open your chest. Breathe in and out through your nose. Place your middle fingers at the innermost corners of your eyes and the index fingers at the outermost corners of your eyes. Apply slight pressure. Open your mouth by dropping your jaw and make an O shape. Press your upper lip against your teeth. Look up at the ceiling at a 45-degree angle. Don't wrinkle your forehead when looking up. This is very important. Squint. Focus on using your lower eyelids and hold for 10 seconds. You should feel some sensations under your eyes. Close your eyes and mouth for 3 seconds. Now come out of the pose and relax. Do this pose 3 times a day. Let's do 2 more sets. Check your posture. Neck and shoulders should be relaxed. Breathe in and out through your nose. Drop your jaw, make an O shape, and look up at 45-degree angle. Relax your forehead. Squint, using only your lower eyelids for 10 seconds. Relax your shoulders. Close your eyes and mouth for 3 seconds. Now, the last set. Relax your shoulders, neck, and forehead. Put the fingers on the corners of your eyes and apply slight pressure. Drop your jaw, make an O shape, and look up at 45-degree angle. Make sure not to wrinkle your forehead when looking up. Squint using only your lower eyelids for 10 seconds. Close your eyes and mouth for 3 seconds. Come out of the pose and relax. Do you feel sensations under your eyes? Beautiful. Here's how to do it without hands. Sit tall. Relax your shoulders and neck. Look straight ahead. Relax your forehead. Open your mouth by dropping your jaw and make an O shape. Look up at the ceiling at a 45-degree angle. Squint using your lower eyelids and hold for 10 seconds. Relax your shoulders. Close your eyes and mouth for 3 seconds. Come out of the pose and relax. I know some people have trouble squinting just using the lower eyelid. Let me show you a close-up of what I'm doing. If you don't know what I mean by squinting with your lower eyelid, you can put your fingers under your eyes. Gently place it there. Don't push it into anything. Remember, the skin around your eyes are very fragile. So put it under your eyes, then squint. You can feel the muscle moving when you squint, and that's the muscle you want to target when you're doing this pose. If you're having a hard time not creating forehead wrinkles when you're looking up, you can put your hands on your forehead and look up to stop the forehead wrinkles. People tend to tighten their shoulders when doing this pose. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed when you're doing this pose. When you place your fingers on your eyes, don't pull down or push up. Just gently place your fingers there and apply slight pressure. Remember, the skin around your eyes are very fragile. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy the eye bag toner with and without hands.